This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Here's the latest in all things mobility. Can we please officially retire the snide "electric cars are just big golf carts" comments? If your golf cart has as much power as this wild machine, the 1,200 horsepower electric Drako GTE supercar, well, your handicap would have more to do with the damage done to yourself than with your golf game. Yes, let's repeat that. 1,200 horsepower. The 4-passenger Drako GTE also has more than 6,000 pound-feet of torque, modest for an average morning commute, and probably enough to counter the rotation of the Earth. But wait a minute, who or what is Drako in the first place? The company is based in Silicon Valley and is named after its founder, Dean Drako. Okay, that is a badass name. Hashtag winning, Dean Drako. But Drako faces a tough climb, with major players like Porsche and Tesla as key rivals. The GTE makes its official debut on August 8th among the rich and car-hungry clientele attending Monterey Car Week. The name seems to say it all. Lane Centering Assist helps keep your car centered in a lane. Mic drop. But it's not quite that simple, young Skywalker. That's because many people assume Lane Centering Assist is a magic genie that will right all your driving wrongs, or do the driving for you. False. Lane Centering Assist does take some of the stress out of everyday driving by providing gentle steering inputs that keep you centered in your lane of travel. This is not, I repeat, not advanced self-driving. Lane Centering Assist either requires that a driver's hands remain on the wheel, or the system will monitor the driver's eyes to make sure they're paying attention to the road ahead. If you aren't paying attention, many vehicles will sound an alarm, then slowly start to bring the car to a stop. Once more, and I cannot stress this enough, people, Lane Centering Assist is not carte blanche for you to vlog about how you don't even have to touch your steering wheel. If the police don't find you, I will. If one rotor works, why not use 8 of them? That seems to be the thinking behind the Airbus Vahana Alpha 1, a single-passenger vertical takeoff and landing vehicle that's under development by the European aviation giant Airbus. Yes, the self-driving, or should it be self-piloting, Airbus Vahana looks like total overkill with its 8 rotors and wingspan that stretches more than 20 feet. But this beast has recorded about 50 actual test flights. Hand racers for the next one? Anyone? And of course, Micah. Next is the redundantly named Airbus City Airbus, an 8-passenger flying machine that can currently shuttle 4 people for 15 minutes at speeds up to 75 miles per hour. VTOLs, that's a work in progress. Oh, and be sure to watch your head with the City Airbus, because the massive 9-foot wide rotors stand only 6 feet 4 inches off the ground. To any interested NBA players, maybe stick with a chopper or a limo for now. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech, and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice. If one rotor works, why not use 8 of them? That seems to be the thinking behind the Airbus Vahana Alpha 1. Vahana or Vahana?
I would go Vahana.
Vahana, yeah, because it looks kind of like Viking-ish.
Like
Vahana. Vahana. Okay. Ohana. Moana?
Moana. Big wig.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to Ride.Tech for stories, reviews, and more news.